These are the best 5G APN settings that are compatible, and working on any networks, how set up manually APN settings for Android get faster. Internet, any devices, Huawei phone.
First, go phone settings, following step by step. SIM and network settings. Choose your SIM card for setting. Access point name.
Click plus add new APN. Name.
APN.
Username. Server. Authentication type. PAP or CHAP. A PN type. APN protocol. IPv4, IPv6. Bearer. Bearer all tick mark. Now save. APN settings restart phone after check internet speed. If you like video, please subscribe channel next more videos.